Hey everybody, recently Sizzix sent me their stencil and stamp tool and their stamp and spin accessory, which allows you to create beautiful stamped wreaths with precision using cling stamps. And let's just say I am now a huge fan. Within minutes, I had a beautiful butterfly wreath, perfect for a 3D card, and a butterfly wreath to make some shrinky-dink spring earrings. Are you ready to see how fun and easy this is? Let's get making! This is the Stamp and Spin tool, which is an accessory to the Stencil and Stamp tool. There are hinges at the top of the Stencil and Stamp tool which allow you to easily switch out to the Stamp and Spin. It is beautifully designed. Put on the sticky grid sheet. This holds your paper in place and you can replace these anytime if they get messy. Then you can place down your paper and it won't move. Place on the Stamp and Spin. This tool helps you create perfect circular stamp motifs. There's a clear protective mylar sheet which covers the base of the sticky grid sheet to keep it nice and clean. Love that. The stamping wheel is separated into 8 equal pie shapes to help with the placement of your stamps. I'm starting with this set of butterfly cling stamps from Sizzix. Remove the lid or just flip it back and stick down your paper. Position your cling stamp on the wheel using your sections as a guide. Add some ink and replace the lid. Stamp, remove the lid, spin, add some ink, stamp again. Now you don't have to remove the lid to rotate the wheel, I just did it for this video. Here's the best part. I did not ink this very well, but because it registers the position perfectly, I can just ink and stamp again. I have never been able to stamp something twice as perfectly as this. I've added a little flower to this next wreath. Grab some inkjet shrinky-dink paper and copy your wreath. You'll need 2 copies. Color them with permanent markers. Cut out the wreath, punch a hole for a jump ring and an earring wire, and then follow the instructions for shrinking. And while these are cooling, I'm going to make a 3D butterfly wreath. Color the wreath with your markers or color pencils. Now you can make 2 of these or make a color copy of the wreath on cardstock. Cut out the butterflies, then fold and glue them on top of the corresponding color to give them dimension. This would be a wonderful card or a piece of art. It's up to you. Simply add some earring wires to the butterfly hoops. There you go. I love this tool. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you real soon. Bye.